Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you a 2025 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. It's a beautiful boat. We did the classic Sea Ray blue and dune interior. Let's go ahead and hop in. Alright guys, I am sitting inside this brand new 210 SPX Outboard, and I'm sitting on one of the new features that they changed on this boat. Gave you a super tall backrest for inside, gave you something to lean on when you're outside. They moved the walk-through over to the starboard side on this boat. So we obviously have the sea deck inside this boat, of course dune to match the dune interior. Water sports tower with the bimini. Tons of space in here. So this is a 21-foot boat. You can comfortably seat about 6 people inside here. We're here at the helm. We obviously included the Simrad display, tilt steering, nice black acrylic dash right here. We do have storage up here, storage down here. Then I'm blocking it, but we have a bow filler up here that gives you a whole playpen area. And one of the big differences on this boat is they really increased the gunnel size on this, so you feel a lot safer inside this boat. For a 21-foot boat, it's actually incredible. So definitely come check us out here at MarineMax Houston. Again, my name is Billy Folks.